In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram edit restyle option not showing problem. If you're trying to edit any videos from the Instagram application but the restyle option is not showing, then here is how you can fix the problem and get the option back. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the Instagram application from your phone and then tap on app info. Now once you're here inside the app info, go and tap on clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache and then tap on OK. Now pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then open up the Play Store and now go ahead and search for Instagram here. And once you have searched with the Instagram, go and tap on Instagram, and if you found any pending update, go ahead and tap on this update button and update your Instagram application to the very latest version. And once you have done that, just force close all the application from the background and then restart your phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, open up the Instagram application once again and go to the edit section, and most likely you'll get to see the restyle option there. But if in any case, if you still have the same problem, you are not getting the restyle option, then there is another way that you can do this. All you have to do, Instagram has introduced a new edit application for itself. So you just open up the Play Store. Now go ahead and search for Instagram edits. And once you have searched with the Instagram edits, you'll get to see the brand new application, the edits and Instagram app. You just need to install this application first and you just need to open this up. And once you have set up the Instagram edits application, and once you have done that using this application, whenever you're trying to edit any videos, you'll get to see the restyle option is available there. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.